Anything is possible. It started with a dream. Our passion made a difference and built a family.
Hello, it's Libby from LibbyStamps.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and I'm here today with another how-to tip for my video. And today I'm going to show you how to set up your classic stampin' pad from Stampin' Up. So this one's unopened, it's brand new, so we'll just go ahead and open it. And you'll see here on the back, it's got a number of stickers. So it's got the name of the ink in a couple of languages, and it's got a blank piece. So we'll go ahead and we'll just take the name of the ink, and I like to use a pair of tweezers, and you can just pick these up in the haberdashery section, often of cheap shops, and you're just going to put the sticker along the edge. Sometimes it needs a little bit of guidance, so there we go. So just put it down where you want, and you can lift it up again. If you don't push it down too hard, you can lift it up again and replace it. There we go. So we've got that one on. Then I'm going to take the blank one off, and it goes inside the lid. So I'm just going to take it off and lie it down there, and then open it. Open your stamp pad like a compact. Now, sometimes they don't open easily, especially when they're new. So just give it a push with your two thumbs. Yes, and that's supposed to work. And it'll pop it up. All right, and we're going to add this bit of colour in to this little reservoir here. So just pop it down. Needs to go almost to the edge. And I just use my finger. I pop it down, and then I get my bone folder and pop it in there like that. So that's those bits done. Now we could get out a sponge dauber, and we could label a sponge dauber with one of the other ones. Now I'm going to use this one. I've got my sponge dauber, and I'm just going to lift another one of the stickers and just pop it around my sponge dauber, and then I know that that sponge dauber is for that colour, Melon Mambo. So another use for the stickers is on your sponges. Now, I cut my sponges up, and I often cut them, so I've got this one, it's cut in half, and I cut it into thirds again, so I use 1/6 of my sponges, and I pop the rest away for another colour. And I've got some Melon Mambo cardstock here. I'll just grab a scrap out, and I grab a punch, so I'm using the Everyday Label punch, and I just punch out one of those. Bring in my bone folder, fold the label in half, and instead of writing on it, and I know sometimes the colours are quite close, so you want to be able to identify what it is, so you can just use one of these to pop on the label and just wrap it around. I just wrap it around the top, doesn't matter if it's not centred. And I get a bit of snail, put that on the inside. Add it to my sponge. I add it to the pointy side, press down where you want it, and then just bring in a stapler and staple that on. And the reason I've got the snail on there is to help it stay put while I'm stapling. and I staple that on, and I've got a handle ready for sponging my ink. Now, you do need to take the rest of this off. If you don't take the whole sticker off, you'll find it slips when you go to stack them. Alright, but if you take the whole sticker off, and you don't need that anymore unless you've got uses for it, for your cardstock, to label cardstock or something. But you'll find that once you remove the whole sticker, it then doesn't slide backwards and forwards. And then they're ready to put in your Stampin' storage, which is great for these new classic Stampin' pads. So that's my tip for today of how to put your stamp pad together and how to use the stickers on the back on your sponge dauber, and for a bit of sponge, how to put it on the inside and how to put it on the front of your stamp pad. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.
Because everybody plays a part in doing what we love.